Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix date and time not showing on Taskbar Windows 10. Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the registry, and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. Then click on hkey current user. Then click on Software. Then click on Microsoft. Scroll down. Then click Windows. Click Current Version. And again scroll down and Policies click. Then click Explorer. On the right side click on Hide Clock. Double click on Hide Clock and set the value 0. Click OK and close the window. Do not showing the time and date in Taskbar. Now restart the computer. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.